Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete page on Wix. So to do that, what we can do is you can open this pages and menu right here on your left sidebar. So click on that. And then once you click on that, you can see in here the pages that you have. So for this one, you can just choose a page that you want. So for example, I want to delete this coming soon. So I just need to click on this three dots. Then from in there, you can see the option for delete button. But first, you need to move this at the bottom and then click on delete and then click on delete here. The reason I'm moving at the button is because I can see the delete button if it is around right here because this thing right here is kind of big. And once it's in here, as you can see, the delete button hides right here. So just click on these three dots and click on delete right here. You click on delete button. Then once you have done that, this page will be deleted on your website. So as you can see, it's been deleted and we can no longer see it on our site menu as well as on our navigation menu right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete page on Wix. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.